Imagine waking up every morning and enjoying a cup of barista-quality coffee from the comfort of your home. Now it's possible. Meet 7, your personal barista. Ready to brew all your favorite beverages with a single touch of a button. With 7 Coffee Maker preset time and heat control design, the brewing process is automatically controlled to guarantee a top-notch coffee every time. Froth your milk effortlessly. Enjoy consistently great results with just a single push of a button. The dual espresso maker and milk frother design offers unparalleled convenience, versatility, and exquisite taste. Compact and space-saving, it fits just about anywhere. Here is how it works. Simply pour cold water up to the fill line. Then fill the filter basket with finely ground coffee, or use a coffee pod. It's up to you to choose from dairy or non-dairy milk options. The 5 pre-programmed modes can deliver a variety of beverages. Once the mode is selected, the 7 Coffee Maker will brew the coffee and froth milk simultaneously, ready within just 3 minutes. Delicious espresso with rich crema and cafe-worthy creamy milk texture create the ultimate coffee experience. Immerse yourself in a world of complete creativity and enjoy a variety of milk-based beverages with milk frothing function. Discover the world of coffee and beyond with 7 Coffee Maker.